Scrolling Timeline Animation, CapCut PC Tutorial. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth scrolling timeline animation in CapCut for PC. So make sure to watch this video till the very end, and let's get started. First, we need to add a simple text layer. This is where we'll type all the years for our timeline. Once the text layer is added, go over to the right side and type your starting year. For this example, I'll start with the 1900s, but you can enter any year you need. After typing the year, press the Enter key on your keyboard and keep repeating this process until you reach the final year in your timeline. Once that's done, increase the text size a bit and choose any font you like. Just make sure everything looks clear and readable. Now we're going to add keyframes. Move your playhead to the very beginning of the text layer. On the right side in CapCut, find the Position option and click on the small diamond icon to add a keyframe. After adding it, drag the first year and place it right in the center of the frame. In my case, that's the year 1900. Next, move your playhead to the end of the text layer. Now drag the text upward until the last year appears in the frame. For me, that ending year is 2025. At this point, you should have keyframes at both the start and the end. Now follow this part carefully. Right-click on the text layer and select Create Compound Clip. For the final touch, we'll add a mask. Select the video layer, make sure Video is selected on the right side, then choose Mask and select Rectangle. Adjust the mask so only one year is visible. Finally, increase the feather value somewhere between 15 and 25, depending on what looks best to you. Now preview your final result. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. That's all for the video.